Good morning, students. Today in this class we will study about the class aves. So animal kingdom. So in aves and mammals, if we study, it will be completed. Only two classes are there. That is class aves, and we have to study class mammalia. So class aves. Aves means nothing but birds. Under aves, the birds will come. Aves class name ಕರಿತೀವಿ, birds na aves ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So here, so birds, all of you know, all of you seen birds like cow, peacock, pigeon, parrot, etc. Alva? So these are the birds. So what is the main characteristic feature of the bird? So main characteristic feature of the bird is presence of feathers. So feathers irutte ee birds ge rekkelu irutte. That is the main characteristic feature. See, presence of feathers are the main characteristic feature of aves. Most of them fly except flightless birds. Almost all the birds will fly. Only the flightless bird called ostrich, it cannot fly. And they possess beak. The birds which possess beak in front. So through beak they will take the food. Beak ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಕ್ಕು ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ, in front it will be like it will be like this, front beak. And four limbs, sorry, they possess beak, and four limbs are modified into wings. So they have two pairs of limbs, four limbs and hind limbs. ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ ಎರಡು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎರಡು ಕಾಲು ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮುಂದೆಗಡೆ ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳ ತರ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ so they are useful for the walking. See, four limbs are modified into wings. Wings ತರ modify ಆಗಿದೆ. Hind limbs ಹಿಂದೆಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆ limbs, they are modified. They have scales and modified for walking, swimming. Walking in the land they will walk, and swim in water, and clasping tree branches. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟ್ರೀ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಿಗೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಹಿನ್ ಲಿಮ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಸೊ ದೇ ಪೊಸೆಸ್ beak, four limbs are modified into wings, hind limbs have scales and modified for walking, swimming and clasping tree branches. Next, the skin is dry. The skin of the birds is dry without glands. There is no gland, hence the skin is dry. Except oil gland. Only the oil gland is present at the base of tail. At the base of tail, the oil gland is present. And endoskeleton is fully ossified. Endoskeleton is full of bones, and long bones are hollow with hair cavities. That is called pneumatic bones. Then digestive system as crop and gizzard. Heart is completely four-chambered. Heart is completely four-chambered, two auricle and two ventricle. They are warm-blooded animals. Warm-blooded animals means they are called homeotherms. That means body temperature ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ warm-blooded ಅಂತೀವಿ. Cold-blooded ಅಂದರೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ದೇರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಟೆಂಪ್ರೇಚರ್ ಲೆಸ್, ಪೈಕ್ಲಿಯೋಥರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Here they are warm-blooded animals, homeotherms. They can maintain their body temperature constantly. And respiration is by lungs. Respiration ಉಸಿರಾಟ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? By lungs. The air sacs which are connected to lungs supplies respiration. The air sacs which are connected to lungs supplies respiration. The air sacs which are connected to the lungs, they will supply the respiration. ಉಸಿರಾಟಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್. ಸೆಕ್ಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಡೈಷಿಯಸ್. ಒಂದೇ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ಗಾನ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮೊನೋಯಿಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So next, fertilization is internal fertilization. It will be takes place inside the body of an organism. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Fertilization, that means after the fusion of gametes, after the sexual intercourse, the fertilization will take place. That will take place inside the body of an organism. Hence, the fertilization is internal. ದೆನ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಕೆಲವೊಂದರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾರ್ವಾ ಆಗಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಅಡಲ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಕೋರ್ವಸ್ ಕ್ರೋ, ಕ್ರೋ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾಗೆ. ಕೊಲಂಬಾ ಪಿಜನ್, ಪಾರಿವಾಳ. ಪಾವೋ ಪಿಕಾಕ್, ಸೈಟಾಕುಲಾ ಪ್ಯಾರೆಟ್. ಶ್ರುತಿಯೋ ostrich. So these are some of the examples of the birds. So birds, nothing but the class Aves. Under the class Aves the birds will come. So birds, Aves and takshana main character is presence of feathers is the main basic character, and most of the birds they can fly. Only the flightless birds like ostrich they cannot fly, and they possess beak. Forelimbs are modified into wings, and hindlimbs have scales and modified for walking, swimming and clasping tree branches. Skin is dry without oil glands. At the base of the tail, oil gland is present, and endoskeleton is fully ossified, that is bony, and long bones are hollow with air cavities. That is pneumatic. Digestive system has crop and gizzard. Heart is completely four-chambered, and they are warm-blooded animals. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. They can able to maintain a constant temperature. Respiration is by lungs. Respiration ಹೆಂಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, lungs ಮುಖಾಂತರ respiration ಉಸಿರಾಟ. Then connected, the air sacs are present. These are connected to the lungs, which supplies respiration. For respiration, this will be helpful. Then sexes are separate. Fertilization is internal. Development is direct development. Example, these are the examples of some of the birds. So this is about the birds, very simple and easy. So these are the points what you have to remember. So only one class left, that is the class Mammalia. So in the next video I will do the class Mammalia. This will complete your Animal Kingdom chapter. So it is very lengthy chapter but very easy. Thank you.